Yeah.
Hmm. I'm Dinesh Kulkarni from HV Law College, Belcom, by Longan. I have chosen a topic on goods and service tax, the new levy. The new levy is introduced by the Government of India on 1st July 2017 with the slogan of One Nation, One Tax. The GST, that is called Goods and Service Tax. Here, one goods also there and plus services also there, madam. Hello?
Yeah. You are audible.
Yeah,
Please
madam.
continue. Yeah.
Well, to 1/7/2017, nation has going on the sale of goods act, madam. Sorry, sale of goods act. After that, 1/7/1/4/2005, the nation has introduced the Karnataka Value Added Tax, madam. The sale of goods act and value added tax has lot of statutory requirements, whereas GST there is a no statutory requirements are there, madam. Prior to GST, there are number of taxes were introduced, namely 0%, 5%, 10%, and there is a difference from state to state. Whereas in GST, all the states have same rate of tax, and there is a collection between state and center in here GST. The state is collecting 50%, whereas center is collecting 50%. Suppose if the rate of tax is 5%, the state is collecting 2.5% from customers and 2.5% collected by the central government. And petroleum products and ethanols are not covered under the goods and service tax. They are left to state government to collect the tax and development of the state. The registration process is very simple. The turnover limit has been prescribed by the central government in GST. The turnover whose turnover is more than 40 lakhs, they are have to take compulsory registration in goods and service tax. Whereas exemption agriculture product suppliers are not need to take, that is exempt from the tax, so they need not to take registration in goods and service tax. Those who are trading interstate, they have to compulsory take goods and service tax registration. The GST number is 15-digit number, whereas first two digits for state code, and then next PAN number of the particular person, then the partnership firm 2 digits, then whether proprietorship, then Z alphabet is for a default. Then next we come to the e-way bill. E-way bill is an electronic document generated by the goods and service tax portal for movement of goods. The goods movement, if 50,000 and above, we are sending a goods outside, it is compulsory to generate e-way bill from portal. Returns. There are 3 returns. We are filing monthly GSTR1, in which we have to declare the sales of for the particular month. Whereas in 3B, we have to declare purchases and as well as sales in the return. And one, we have to file annual return, which is end of the financial year, where we have to declare total turnover of all the 12 prescribed months. Then penalty provision. Non-filing of returns, monthly returns, there is a 20 rupees per day and maximum of rupees 10,000 rupees penalty provisions are there. For non-filing of annual return, the penalty is prescribed 200 rupees per day. The technology era, the goods and service tax portal is developed by the Indian most developed software company Infosys, which has been provided the software where we have to file all the returns online only. There is a no paperwork. This is the best development made by the government of India in regard to filing a return. In conclusion, this is a destiny-based and simplified tax the government has introduced from 1/7/2017. That's all.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dinesh. Any questions on GST? Okay. So there are no
Well,
questions.
I had a question,
Yeah.
Dinesh. Any
Yeah.
tribunals in case of disputes between the government and the sellers or corporate bodies, etc.?
Huh. There is no dispute, sir. Presently, there is a no dispute. If any
No, I
violation
mean,
of any,
if see, I mean to say, there should be kind of a regulator or tribunal. Is there anything in the
yeah,
act?
yeah, tribunal is there. Tribunal is there. First, we have to appellate authority, joint commissioner of appeals, then tribunal, then high court, then Supreme Court.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes, it's
Okay.
clear. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So now, when we are transporting some materials from one state to the another state,
Yeah.
does the GST Act authorizes the police officers or the transport officers to block the vehicle or to stop the vehicle if they don't have any e-way bill?
Only goods and service tax department have authority to stop the vehicle. Otherwise, none of department have no role in GST, madam.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. It was really nice, both of you. It was very informative, and it was like covering